So today I'll show you the first version of our iOS Android interface for the BEaMEr, and basically what you should do is here use the cable, the HDMI audio cable, and then you can use an extension, either here this one, or you can use the one from, if you have this the BEaMEr system, but any audio extension cable will do. And then the first thing, always check if the loudness is on. Yes, this is necessary for the communication. Now you to switch on, you press both buttons at the same time. Next thing you should check is the battery of the BEaMEr still charged. To do this, you press both for a short moment, just a short moment. You see all 5 are lit up, all five green LED means it's fully charged. So check the loudness on the iPad or iPhone, and then check the battery here so that all this is working. Then here you can set now all the 55 functions that we have with the BEaMEr. First you can set the amplitude between 1 and 12 volt. You can say if it should be continuously on. You can also specify here now that it should only switch on at a certain intervals, or you can even ask the core to find, with the core algorithm, to find the times it should be on when you need it most. Then on channel 1 and 2 you can set if it uses the recorded file that's here in the flash memory of the BEaMEr, or it should use its internal frequency generator, or it should use here the heartbeat from the heartbeat sensor, or it should use a program. And the program, there are 10 different programs. You can get the program number that your client needs by going to the health navigator on this free program, and then run a scan, and it gives you the program number between 1 and 10. And if you select this, you can then down here select the program that it should run. Now you can also set here in the channel 2, in addition you can set if the channel 1 should be inversed. It means then you have really a scalar generator. There's 2 coils, they're bifilar, and they are in inverse phase to each other, and that's the idea, to generate a scalar field. But then also you can here set if it should use the electric interference tense, should use the infrared LED, the visible LED, or the pulsed magnetic frequency. And then you have also the selection of the core program. Means when you have recorded the heartbeat, then the BEaMEr has the reference to find the most suitable frequency program. But for this to run, you first have to scan your heart, or the client's heart. And to do this is very simple. You first erase the memory, and then you connect the heartbeat detector, and it immediately will start recording your heartbeat, or the client's heartbeat. In general, first you have to delete the recording, the memory, and then whatever you attach, if it's a file you want to upload from the core or your own frequency files, just connect it and it will start a recording. Now I show you one time now here. To start this, and this is very important, you have to just press the lower button for 5 seconds until the yellow ones start to blink now, or blink on. So now I click here transmit, and now you see, now this is the sign the flashing yellow ones, that it's being transmitted. All the selections you have made here. Now when this stops, it's all done, and you can now, if you want, you can do a quick check if everything is set correctly by just pinching the upper button to this one, and now it runs through the demo. So here it shows all the selections that have been made, so you can check, but usually that's not necessary. This is works very well. So much for the first version, and give us your feedback what we need maybe to improve.